Good morning guys. So today we are off to our holiday getaway. So we are going for 2 days camping and it's my first time camping, so of course I'm going to be doing glamping instead because your girl is not about that camping life. But yeah, so we're doing 2 days there at this place called Turon Gates, and then we're heading off to Hunter Valley and staying at this place called Spice's Guest House. And then after that we're going for 5 days at Sofitel at the Darling Harbour. Yeah, so it's a 3.5 hour drive and our journey has just begun. Daniel has no clue what's happening on this holiday, but I have a few activities planned. So I've got like horse riding, canoeing, hot air ballooning, and yeah, that'll be really great. So I guess I'll just take you along.
For all my Sri Lankans, you all know what's good. This stuff is so yummy.
Don't be putting the camera in my face while we're driving and then we're going to get pulled over and that trip's going to be ruined.
Almost there, a little bit longer to go.
Oh, I'm so going to climb across that log. Oh, it's a full tree.
Oh yes, I can see it. Things are showing. I think the manager's cabin is soon. So we're staying in a tent.
We are?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, do not enter.
I'm so nervous now. Is that a small tent?
Yeah.
Is it actually?
Yeah.
You're kidding.
Oh, manager's cabin, enter here. I will go that way first.
Glamping. Oh, you little. Do you actually want to go there?
Go there. We can walk up and. Ooh. Okay, so we're here.
Oh, is this the tent?
Yep, these are the tents.
Oh, that's not a tent. What's ours called?
Gum Blossom.
Alright, there's Dreamtime. There's Sundance. Is that Gum Blossom?
Yeah, Gum Blossom.
Yes, there it is, boys. I can see it. Gum Blossom.
There's our Gum Blossom. So we're finally at Turon Gates.
A tent on the floor.
I didn't get your reaction, but he's happy.
Ah, yeah, boys. I'm excited. I thought it was gonna be a little tent on the floor,
Well,
and I was like, oh, I would have accepted it, but this is decent.
But you know that I would hate to stay in a tent.
Yeah, and then when he said we're in a tent, I was like, oh.
Not about that one.
Time to tour the place though. So we're finally at.
Wait, do we have to go?
Gates.
So pause. Do we have to go to the manager's cabin first?
No, we don't.
Okay.
I need to get something from there though for one of our activities.
Alright, sweet.
Okay, come on. Are you ready? Should I get your reaction?
Nah, you go.
Oh, I don't even know how to open the door.
Turn.
Let me get your reaction.
Nah, go.
Let me do you. And then we can tour it. All right. There's Daniel. Come on in. Oh wait, I can't see your face.
Bro!
Is it cool?
Bro, it's not a tent, fam. Oh, they didn't put that. That's sick.
Okay, now wait, tour me.
What do you mean, tour me?
Okay.
Welcome to our cabin at Turon Gates. As you come in, you can see our lovely bed all set up with our congratulations banner and some sweet chocolates that they left us. That's the door. Daniel's having a bit of problem there. So it has a nice fly mat and everything. As you come on, they have a nice lounging area over here. They even gave us complimentary wine and what, honey?
Yeah, honey.
And honey. That's so sweet. And then you
left some wood in the fire to keep all toasty. So nice. It's gonna be so good. Then when you look outside, we have some deck to look out, and then another fireplace over there. So good. Very nice. Oh no, there's still more. We gotta show the bathroom.
Oh, yeah.
Come on. You haven't even seen the bathroom. Should we get Daniel's reaction for the bathroom?
Nah, let's get your reaction.
Me?
Yeah. Real life reaction. I know you've seen the pics, but. Oh my goodness, that's so sick, man. What is this thing?
Shower?
Oh no, just like a little
Wardrobe
thing.
Wow, it's so nice.
This is
It's nice, isn't it?
so nice.
No, I think you can lift this part up and then you can see outside.
Sharon, surely we're coming here every year now, I swear. This is sick,
I'm so
man.
happy you like it. But yeah, this is our cabin and I love it. We're here for 2 days.
Bro, I want to stay for a week.
Well, at least we know now, so we have a place to come. We want to get away.
We're off on our first little walking adventure in the wilderness. It's pretty cold. It's 4 degrees.
There it goes, burning again. We're rushing because we got horse riding at 9 o'clock, but my pancakes keep burning. Daniel's over there enjoying it.
Cheers, boys.
I just don't know how to use the stove. It just heats up too much. Look at our burnt pancakes. Smile.
On our way, going to horse riding.
I'm cold.
All rugged up.
Oh, cold.
It's -1 degrees. We're off to do horse riding. Adventure begins.
My nose is gonna freeze off.
So we came to where we thought the stables would be, but there's nobody here, so I feel like we're lost.
Yeah, nobody's here.
Yeah.
The horses are roaming freely, so they don't come and attack us.
Sharon said that she's the horse whisperer, but
Not attack me. Attack them.
yeah, I'll take the hit for the team, boys. Update on our canoeing trip. I mean, on our horse riding trip. They accidentally forgot to book us at 9 o'clock, so we've been changed to 11:30 with another group of 2.
Yeah. Instead, we're going canoeing.
Yeah, going canoeing.
With a buddy over there. Dog, I don't know what his or her name is. But he's coming with us.
He's coming with us on the canoes,
We
boys.
find out.
Sharon and I on our canoeing adventure. It's been going pretty good so far. We're just barely staying alive.
Oh, Trigger's coming!
Oh, here comes our doggo. We seem to be stuck in the shallow rocks. So our canoe adventure has come to an end. Sharon, how do you feel it went?
It was mad.
It was decent, boys. It was decent. This is where we've been canoeing. Bit of shallow rocks. But yeah, unfortunately now we're stuck. So we have to get out.
Daniel's still training, even on holiday. So our canoeing, oh, I can't even talk. Oh, just stepped in so much mud just now. But that was so good. And now we're heading back. We actually got stuck at one point and it was so scary. And we didn't even know how to get out of that place. But it was all me. I got us out, you know. Being the superwoman that I am. This is where we got stuck. Right over there. No, more over there where those big rocks are. We got stuck on a rock. And it was very scary. Just hanging with my mate Trigger. He's a good boy. So we're going now horse riding at 11:30. We just did our canoeing. You want to check out some ponies? The horses and stuff are just like roaming around freely. But check out these ponies over here. It's just staring at me. Daniel's in the toilet. Should I scare him? Did you get scared?
I freed myself.
There's a pony coming. Hello. I'm scared.
What's coming?
A pony's coming to me.
Get inside.
It's coming so close. Hello. 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 Hi there. You want some biscuits? I'll get you biscuits as well. Yeah? You want biscuits? I can't believe he just came straight up to me.
Are you actually there?
Yeah. He's literally right here. Come on, I'll get you something. He's coming with me. This is amazing. I'll get you some biscuits. Hold on. As if the pony came right to me. Let me get some biscuits for it. Can ponies have biscuits? Okay, so I'm gonna go feed that pony a banana. Let's see. Where is he? Trigger's coming as well. He's over there. Hey, buddy. I'm scared. This is scary. And a banana. Oh my gosh, he's eating it. Oh, I dropped it. One more. This is cool. I eat the banana. Oh, the sun is blazing. Just don't get my hand. Enjoying that banana? There we go. There's me and the pony. And Trigger down there. Should we take a photo together? So Daniel's going to be riding that little white one there. And I'm on that one there. For you.
Sharon going for a horse ride.
Like Maggie. Maggie's a good girl.
That one's called Kahlua.
And you can have
So we've just had an abrupt stop to our horse riding because unfortunately one of the he's just stomped his foot in a tantrum. One of the riders has come flying off after we tried to gallop. Sharon and I are safe, thankfully. The leader guide has galloped back into the thing. And just left us with no. Look there, JD. And now we're just surrounded by 3 horses. Me and
So now we're just chilling with 3 horses. Waiting to get some help for that poor lady.
They're trying to help her out.
They're over there.
Maybe her arm's broken. She doesn't have an arm.
Oh, really? Poor lady. What does that mean? Does anyone know what that means?
Bro, what is happening?
Alright, so we're back home after our horse riding, so I'll update you on that incident with the lady. I think it was their first time riding, and so
it came to doing the trotting part, and basically she fell off her horse, and Danny was saying it was like she was propelled and like fell forward and onto the ground, and she wasn't like getting up, so we thought it was going to be like a bad injury, but it ended up being okay. Like her body, I mean like her legs and her hips and everything were all good. She had an injury to her fingers, but they initially thought it was broken. Well, she initially thought it was broken, but now there's like a little bit of movement there, so thankfully, thank God that she's okay and not like any serious injury. But yeah, that was our horse riding trip. Why is everything we do so hectic all the time? Anyways, we're so hungry now, so I'm gonna whip up some mac and cheese for lunch, and Daniel's just out picking some sticks for the fire. Ow! I just hurt my finger. Why did I even try to do that? What a disaster. I always burn myself. All the time. Again? Yeah, my 3 fingers. Just a madman all the time.
Yes, you are. I'll just
get some cheese and that mac and cheese.
You open it?
Yeah. Have a look at my mac and cheese, because it looks good.
Actually not that cold in here, buddy. Are you cold in here?
Nah, not anymore. You don't need to start it now, baby.
Yeah, I'll just set it up.
Yeah. Yummy.
Very yummy.
Should we just retire? I'll just buy this cabin and we'll just live out here. Sweat. I would.
We're going to start a fire now. Daniel said this stuff here is too wet, so we have to relocate these rocks. So where we're going? Just over there. I'm looking for sticks then. So what type of sticks do you want?
Just grab like different sizes like this.
All of that?
Yeah, little ones.
Alright, stick hunting for me. Exciting. Is that enough?
Is that enough?
More? Really?
I need way more.
Oh, there's another one.
Good job. A bit more back.
More? Really? Oh my goodness.
We need quite a bit.
Wow, I've hit the stick jackpot. This is the stick jackpot. So many sticks. Look at all of them. Ow, that's a sharp one. I reckon that's enough.
It's not enough.
Aww.
Not much.
I'm tired of collecting sticks. Alright, attempt number 1. Daniel's about to try to start the fire. Alright, let's see. Daniel has the water on standby. Come on, we've got it going a little bit. So far so good, hopefully it works.
Crazy?
Put the flashlight. We just got a pony.
Yeah, it's pony. Bro! I need to put the chairs back. I'm not going outside.
Why is that pony just at our door?
Oh, bro. Oh my gosh.
Good morning. Today is our last day, so I'm going to whip up some eggs, bacon, baked beans. What else is there, babe?
French toast?
Oh, and toast. Not French toast, just toast.